Hello friends, you're welcome back. The new year, and this is our first video on this new year on Chima Dedicated Video channel. I want to teach you something on crypto. This has to do with how to generate your USDT TRC-20 address on Binance. Remember the key things there. I'm using Binance. I'm not using Bybit. I'm not using Bygate. I'm talking about Binance. And I'm not just talking about generating a crypto wallet address. I'm talking about generating USDT TRC-20. That's a chain. Now, in the course of this video, you'll be able to understand why I mentioned these key things. Very important. You might know how to do one, but if you don't get this particular one, you may still struggle. That's why you need to follow through this. If you are new to this channel, please do it to subscribe. That should be the first thing you do, because you're going to see most of tutorial videos like this that will guide you. And this is a new year starting from today. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and don't forget to share so that others too can benefit. So what are we going to do now? The first thing we are going to do is to locate on where you have deposits. Whatever you do to locate deposits, just try to do it. That's what you have here. Add funds. Let's click on add funds. Now, having clicked on add funds, you are seeing these options. There are so many options here. The system say buy with EUR. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this because I'm in Nigeria and currently Binance is not exchanging crypto with Naira because of a little problem with the country system. You understand? But if you are living in a country where it's supported, you will not likely see euros. You're going to see a country's currency. When it was supporting Nigerian currency, you could have seen Nigeria here, not euros, because I'm not using euros. But that's the one they can give to me right now. Now, you do want to deposit a crypto with P2P, that's the one to buy, or you want to receive from Binance users. I wouldn't want you to go through this because sometimes those who are sending you coin may not be sending through Binance, they might be sending through other wallets. So use this one, crypto assets. So you click on deposit crypto. When you click on deposit crypto, now let me show you the next thing you're going to see. Now you'll be able to choose the crypto you're actually looking for. That's how these things work. Now, if you look at this, there are a lot of cryptos lined up here. And if you keep on looking at them, going down, you're going to find so many of them. But what if the crypto you're looking for is not on top here? Like you can see this one, the history. What is history? That's the ones recently I've opened. But if they are not here, so all you need to do is go to this search coins and type the name of that crypto you're looking for. So, but for the fact that I'm looking for USDT, so this is my USDT here. So I wouldn't need to type here. So I click on USDT. Now, having clicked on USDT, this USDT has is under different chains. We'll call them networks or chains. Remember, I'm showing you how to generate USDT TRC-20 wallet address. You see where we are now. So this USDT has so many chains. We'll have TRC-20, that's the Tron network. We'll have BEP20, this is the BNB Smart Chain network. We'll have the Aptos. This one just came new. It's just a new network. We'll have the Polygon. We'll have the Ethereum ERC20. We'll have the Arbitrum one. We'll have the Solana. We'll have the Open Network. That's the Ton. That's the, when you talk about the Open Network, that's Ton, which is the native token of Telegram. Telegram just joined the crypto world. So their native token is called Ton. So this is the network they operate on. They have their native token called Ton Coin. And that Ton is the network. Now we have Avast Chain Coin, we have the Optimism, we have OP, BNB, we have Near Protocol, we have EOS, we have Celo. So all of these things you are seeing are all, chains that you can use. Now, do you know the sense of this? Let me tell you, some people don't understand why this is very important. If someone says, I want to send you a USDT, you don't just say, okay, send to me. You must ask. If the person forgets to tell you, you have to ask, which network are you using? Because if the person is sending USDT to you, and that USDT is he's sending it through Ethereum network, that's this is ERC20 or BEP20, the Binance chain, smart chain, and you give the person your Tron, whatever, that your Tron address, Any coin sent will get lost. It will not get to you. The person will lose it, and you know how this is. He won't come back. The person will have lost it. The person can only be lucky when he's sending it. The system will say no, your address is wrong. But if the system fails to correct that and the person sends across, he has lost his coin. You will never receive the coin. So that's why you need to know the whatever. So if the person say, "I want your TRC address because that's where I'm sending the coin from," please give the person the TRC address. Don't just copy anyone. And so this is the TRC address. That's the first one we are seeing here. So what do? You click on it. Remember, I'm taking time to explain it because it's a tutorial videos. So having clicked on it now, you are seeing your wallet address here. This is that wallet address we're talking about. Look at it. If you send this thing to the person and the person sends you a USDT on that TRC-20 instantly, in the next 1 minute or two, it will land in your account. It will be there. As long as the person's on his own side, he has processed it and it has gone through. And the confirmation has gone through. Once it has gone through, landing to your account becomes so easy. So what do? You click on this place. You see here, click on it to get. Now look at it. I click on this. You see wallet address copied. As I copied, now I can go anywhere, paste it. Anywhere that I drop this to has got it. So these are things, and I encourage you this year, try to learn all of these things. Is it on crypto? Is every kind of thing. If you want to learn video editing, make sure from step to step, everything about video editing from the first step, as little as it is. Don't say, oh, this is not too important. No, those little things, just do them, and move on. Get all these things, very important. That's how to get skilled this year and be able to profit from it. So I'm going to stop at this point. I encourage you again once again, if you are new to our channel, please, this is a new year. I would like you to be the first to subscribe to our channel in this new year. Just hit that subscription button, hit the notification button too, so that you get updates from us. Then share this video and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you have a question, use the comment box. We are always here for you. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.